Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to tell you about best web hosting for WordPress website. So let's start. Go on google.com and search GoDaddy. Click on first website, which is www.godaddy.com. To check web hosting packages, click on hosting and select web hosting option. Now scroll down. Here you can see we have multiple packages like Starter, Economy, Deluxe and Ultimate. Every package offers different features. Let's discuss about it. Most low cost affordable package is Starter package. It will cost you around $3.99 per month. In this package, you are going to get 512 MB RAM, which is sufficient for low traffic website. You can host only one website in this package. Unlimited bandwidth will be added. It has 30 GB storage. You can create only one database. Daily backup will create backup of database and files. One best feature is you can install WordPress with just one click. Let's check second package, which is Economy. You have to pay around $6 per month. This package offers standard performance for low traffic website. Only one website can be hosted in this package and 100 GB storage is offered. You can create 10 databases. It also manages daily backups and gives one-click WordPress install option also. In this package, you can create professional email, but you have to pay $23 a year. You will get free domain also. Let's check third package, which is Deluxe package. You can get this package in $8 per month. It has standard performance. You can host unlimited websites on it. It has unlimited storage also. 25 databases can be created in this package. It creates daily backup and one-click WordPress install is also available. You can create professional email too. The last package is Ultimate package, which will cost you around $13 per month. You can choose this package if your website has high traffic. This package has increased processing power. You can create unlimited websites, unlimited file storage, and unlimited databases. It also creates daily backups and one-click WordPress install option is also available. Professional email and free domain functionality is also there. It offers free SSL certificate, which will secure your website from attackers. If you want to buy any package, then click Buy Now button. Now click Add to Cart option. Select the months, like for 12 months you have to pay around $48 per year, which is very good deal. So guys, if you find this video is valuable, then click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.